back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Sacai Blazer Lows in the British tan colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that join button because we do have some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So be sure to head on over there after this video if you're interested in adding some shade gear to your wardrobe. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be discussing the Sacai Nike collab done on the Blazers in the low edition, and this is the British tan colorway. So we're going to start off by the overview. Then I'm going to bring out, or I guess I already have them out, but I'm going to show you in comparison to all the other colorways that I was able to cop. Then we're going to do a sizing guide, followed by styling, and conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So we've got obviously just a very simplified blazer silhouette and a very neutral coloring scheme this time around. So we've got the British tan in that suede. As we work our way up the tongue, we've got the dual tongue that we're used to seeing with Sacai, this time in that really cool British tan color scheme with the red nylon on the back and the suede in the front. We've got the dual laces that Sacai is so well known for doing with the Nike collabs, and this time again in that British tan and red color option. Then on the eyelets, we've got just nice smooth British tan leather. Let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, we've got underlays of that British tan suede. Then we've got the dual Nike swoosh that Sacai is also known for. This time in some soft leather, but in the British tan colorway. And underneath we have the red swoosh. Working our way to the back, we've got that high increased kind of rubber sole that almost, but not quite, hits the counterpart of the back end of the shoe here. And then we've got some exposed foam on the top in brown and exposed foam on the top of both of the tongues there. As we work our way to the other side paneling of the shoe, the same coloring options. And as we look inside, we've got the dual branding Nike Sacai in a white insole. And the shoe is then completed with this simple white rubber midsole and outsole. Let's take a close look at all of those details. All right, so I just brought out every single color variation that I actually have. So So you let me know down below what is your favorite out of these different looks. Right now I've been vibing with this colorway option just because I think it really goes with the summer tones I've been wearing, and I love the greens and blues that pop off the gray. I've definitely gotten compliments that this is actually people's favorite color scheme, and it's just a nice neutral gray, though I do think the orange and yellow is great for the summertime. But as we do reach the fall season, which we're coming into shortly, I think this is going to be a great colorway. All right, so now let's talk about size and fit. I would say go true to size on this one. So I'm a 7.5, which is equivalent to a size 9 in women's. I do have high arch narrow feet, so if you do have wider feet that are flat, you may vary in size depending on what you like to wear as far as tightness or looseness. I do like to have a little extra room in front of that toe box region, but on this one I would say stick true to size. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So much fun styling these. Obviously this is a nice neutral color with a pop of red, so I really wanted to bring and complement those colors off of what I picked as far as the clothing goes. So for the first look, I decided to wear this Rick Rubin tee that I'm actually rocking now. I think that the color options just really vibe with this. I paired that with a nice simple blazer with a checkered print, and I think the browns in that blazer popped really nicely with this shoe. And then I wore some simple denim shorts.
No matter if the lights go out or the stars come down, I will always be right here. I don't care if no one else around, I'll hold you down. I'ma always be right here, yeah, I'ma be right here. Hey, 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 yeah, I'ma always be right here. Hey, 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 yeah, I'ma always be right. Yeah, me and you and I. Nobody's perfect, but we align. I swear that what we have is different. You my light in the dark, you the difference. And you're always on point.
For the second look, I decided to switch it up and keep it super monochromatic, and this time I wore an all essentials look with a t-shirt and shorts that match in that same beige colorway. I think that that really helped these shoes become kind of the statement piece in that look.
On point, never missing. I'ma never hold back what I'm feeling. The way you love me brings healing. Never change, stay the same. No matter if the lights go out or the stars come down, I will always be right here. I don't care if no one else around, I'll hold you down. I'ma always be right here, yeah, I'ma be right here. Hey, 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 yeah, I'ma always be right here. Hey, 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 yeah, I'ma always be right.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear something again Supreme, just because we're, already in the Supreme season. I might as well, just kind of pop out some of my older season stuff. So for that look, I decided to wear my cream water gun tee, and that tee really has a lot of red accents, so I thought it vibed quite nicely with the red accents in the shoe. For the bottoms, I just kept it neutral and wore some cream biker shorts.
There's not a question in my motive. I'll pick you up when you fall down. When we're together, it's explosive. And girl, you turn my life around. You know I'm here for you, and I'll never stop falling through the wind for you. Leave me for a second, I'll never stop menacing you. Talking forever, that's just what it is for you. No matter if the lights go out or the stars come down, I will always be right here. I don't care if no one else around, I'll hold you down. I'ma always be right here, yeah, I'ma be right here. Hey.
So you let me know those 3 looks. What was your favorite, or how would you style these?
I'm just glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Pull up in that rain, see me ballin', yeah. 30 piece on my wrist like I'm Harden. Either they love me or I'm a target. Cause the eyes on me is flawless. I've been busy and picking up when you callin'. And on purpose, I hate the fact when you talking. With anything that you need, dog, I got you, I mean that. All this pressure make it hard not to relapse. Build up aggression, make it hard for me to relax. To the hood, baby, ain't no way that I'ma lead that. My dogs need hope, step it up, I gotta be that. Cause life's so crazy, oh, ain't been through. I'ma love you way before I gotta miss you. Hold this mama bought my sock, gave her some tissue. We were just a hood, baby, with some issues. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it
Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these retailed for $120, and depending on size, on the lower range, these are going between $115 and $150. All right, that's it for this unboxing review. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new here today, be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to hit that join button and go on and check out that membership, or not membership, but our merch store. We've got some great shade items in there. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.